Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Drey. Today I have decided to record this video because someone has asked me if I can go over which chord or modes that I use over some changes. So I decided to record this one before my Berklee Week 5. Berklee Week 5 has been taking forever. It's because I have been so busy and it's in a progress. Please be patient. Today's video I'm gonna use English instead of Chinese because the subtitles just took me forever. So hopefully you guys can understand my English. I guess this is the question for everyone who just started jazz. I had this problem as well, like what scales or modes that you're gonna use on some changes. Sometimes when you see a major 7, it's easier, or dominant 7, it's easier. However, when you come to the minor chords, it's quite hard. For me, I think it's quite hard. To be honest, when I get a better picture of it, it's when I took this Berklee Jazz Improvisation Course. Burden had given us a better tool in this course. For me, it's very useful. I highly recommend you guys, whoever has time, go ahead and take it. It's free. Ever since I tried his method, I think my improvisation has 7 to 80% covered. I don't need to go nowhere to find the answer that I don't even know. So I just use his method to decide, to analyze what scales should I use, and I would like to share it with you guys here. I'm not sure if I can explain it very well. If you guys have been taking this course, hopefully this video is gonna help you. First of all, when you see a natural 6, you can use Dorian. When you see a flat 6, you will use Aeolian. However, when you see a flat 6 with flat 2, it will be Phrygian. If you see a flat 6, flat 2 with the flat 5, it will be Locrian. When you see a natural 7, you will be using melodic minor. That's it for minor. Lydian scales, when you see a major 7 with a sharp 11, Lydian flat 7 is very obvious. It's a dominant 7 with a sharp 11. When you see a sharp 11, you can think of Lydian. When you see a sharp 11 with flat 7, it will be Lydian dominant. If you see a flat 9, sharp 9, or sharp 11, flat 13, sharp 13 with a natural 5, then will be the altered scale. When you see a natural 6 instead of natural 5, you can use a half-hold diminished scales. Let's go through 500 miles high from the jazz course that I took. This will be the easier explanation for you guys. So far, this is my answer. First chord is E minor 7. Burden gave us the answer. It's Aeolian. I was wondering why until I see the C here. The 6th note of E minor 7 is supposed to be C sharp. The flattened C sharp now becomes C natural. That's why it's Aeolian here. The next chord is G minor 7. What's the 6th note of G minor 7? It's E, the natural 6. So it is Dorian. Here comes the major chord. Major chord is much easier than the minor chord. Look at the 4th note of B flat major. Here, 1 bar before, actually it's 2 bars before, B flat major. Instead of E flat, it's natural E, the sharp 11th, so I wrote Lydian. Remember when it has flat 5? It will be Locrian most of the time. Here's the flat 5 in a melody. This dominant chord has a sharp 9. When it comes to dominant chord, there are 3 options: Lydian dominant, altered dominant, and half-hold diminished scale. There's no sharp 11, which A is natural. Here, I will eliminate Lydian dominant. The difference between altered dominant and half-hold diminished is the first one has a natural 5 and the latter has natural 6. What's the natural 5 of E7? It's B. The B is so far away. It's here. It's B natural, so I'll choose altered scale. What's the 6th of A minor 7? It's F sharp. Our F is natural here, so it's flat 6. It will be Aeolian. This is obvious. since it's flat 5, so it's Locrian. What's the 6th of F minor 7? It's D. Here is our D. So it's natural 6th. It's Dorian. What's the 6th of C minor 7? It's A. Can you find an A? Oh, there's an A flat. It's flat 6. Let's check if there's any flat 2. The second note of C minor 7 is D. Here is our D. The D is untouched here. So it's only flattened 6. It's Aeolian. The last one is obvious. It's altered scales. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully it does help you guys. If you guys have any thought or any suggestion, please let me know. You can comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye.